Good morning, I'm David from the Marine Channel. You join us at the Southampton Boat Show for day 2, and here we are today on the Fairline stand. The market for weekenders, as I guess they're classified, has really exploded in the last few years with offerings from all places around the world. The Scandinavians have given us their take on it, but today we're looking at the Fairline F-Line 33, the smallest boat in the range, introduced in 2019, designed by Alberto Mancini. A tremendous quality boat and tremendous performance boat. Let's go and have a look at it. When launched in 2019, the boat came with a stern drive, soon followed by an outboard version in 2020. Here we see the largest of the engine options, the twin 400s, all Mercury fitted, and there you can have anything between 300 and 400 horsepower. This one gives a top speed of 46 knots, which is pretty exhilarating for a 33-foot boat. Moving forward, under here we have a huge storage locker, plenty of room for fenders, dinghies, any inflatable toys, etc. I'm just coming forward here. Now, when the boat was launched, it had 2 bench seats going across the boat with a table in the centre, which could convert into a sun pad. But feedback from buyers was that they wanted something a little bit more sociable, and this is version 2 of the seating arrangement, which is this C shape, again, which converts into a sun pad there, but is a bit more sociable. Over here, we have the obligatory wet bar with griddle, sink, and in here a fridge to keep your drinks cold. But it really feels like a beautiful outdoor space. This version has the additional optional hard top, which has a manual opening centre there, so you can still get the benefits of an open top boat, but with the option to close it in when you need to. Moving forward to the helm. A wonderful feeling helm and a great vision over the front there. You've got superb views for manoeuvring and seeing what's going on. But lovely touches like the controls on the steering wheel don't move when you turn the wheel. Everything really nicely close to hand. Being outboards, you've even got a kill switch there for safety. One particular feature, which is a beautiful piece of engineering, is this access round onto the foredeck. And if I just open this, you can see how this just swings out of the way. And I think this is just stunning here. Look at that amazing piece of stainless there, which just allows it to beautifully slot into place. So just a really superb cockpit, very sociable, inevitably designed for the sun, but you know, you've got the protection of the hard top there. Let's have a look down below. So this is actually a 4-berth boat, and this this 4-peak converts into a double by dropping down the table there. Here you've got a really good sized galley, sink obviously under there, plenty of space to work from, so a nice place to be for a weekend. And what you do need to come down and see is the cabin that goes back under the cockpit there, because that's a really cosy place to overnight. So to go with your spacious accommodation, you've also got this wonderful heads here. Again, very spacious, really nicely fitted out. Loo obviously basin and a separate hand shower there to wash yourself off after swimming or yeah, have a morning shower. But a really nice and light room. It's got a top light on there to let some natural light in there, but really nicely finished, I think. Sorry about the beeping that's going on, we can't seem to turn it off at the moment. But having looked at the boat, really feels top quality, a lovely place to be, very sociable area back here, and just a beautiful boat to enjoy the sunshine and the sea on. This boat, basic price is 300,000. This one, several options, obviously taking it up to just under the 500 plus local taxes. But I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Please remember to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.